I'm Joseph from MakeBestChoice.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before I start, I want to greet you a very, very happy Christmas and the compliments of the season. Today we are going to review SpyWire. Now, what is SpyWire? SpyWire, as the name suggests, is an ethical spying tool that uncovers profitable emails, ads and funnels from your competitors in 3 easy steps. One is finding a winning campaign, customizing your email or ad or funnel, and third is use or sell to make instant profits. So it helps you to monitor your competitors, to spy their emails, their ads, their funnels, so that you can be well prepared. What are its features? Other features. It includes 1,000 world's most profitable ads, emails and funnels in a unified database. It has the top 100 businesses online reverse engineered. It can collect up to 15,000 assets, that means email, ads and funnels. And there are lots and lots of other features which you can see on your screen. Who is it for? It is for, generally it is for marketers at all levels, Facebook and Google ad experts, funnel experts, email marketers, affiliate marketers and agency owners. Basically anyone who wants to keep an eye on their competitors and also who wants to understand the trend of the market, because this helps you to get the trend of the market so that you may be well prepared. If that interests you, please stay tuned. Now we are going to jump into the demo. Then I'll show you all the bonuses I have for offer. After the bonuses, I will show you all the pricings, the upgrades and OTOs that are there. And then we conclude with the pros and cons and the final conclusion. Another thing, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button below or on the right hand side of your screen. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you may be notified with every new video I post. So let us jump into the demo now. Welcome to the demo. Here I am logged into the dashboard of SpyWire. On your left hand side is the menu. Now we start with the inbox option for all the mails we want to spy. For the ads we want to spy, we click the ads option, and for the funnels we want to spy, we click the funnels option. There is a help and there is a library. Now over to Neil Napier, who will walk you through the demo of the software. He is the creator of the software, so there is no one who can give better demo than him. I'll meet you once again after Neil finishes.
Hey there, this is Neil Napier, and in this video I'll show you how you can use SpyWire to spy on your competitors' emails, ads, as well as funnels. So I'm in the area where we have a ton of ads and emails and sequences that we have already collected. We're starting to collect funnels as well because it's a new feature, and here's how this works. You go to inbox and you're able to grab an email address from us, which is this one, and sign up to any list that you want, and then we start collecting those emails. So as you can see, we've been collecting a ton of emails, about 200 different sequences here, and we've been collecting a lot of emails from Ben Settle, and as you can see, we have a ton of different emails here. We can also see exactly how often he sends these emails. So you can see it's almost about every 12 hours where he's sending an email. It changes though, and this gives you a very clear timeline as to when emails are sent. You can take any email that you want and you can do some cool things with it. So you can, for example, edit that email. So once you edit that email, you can remove some things, of course, remove anything that doesn't pertain to you, change it as you want, create spaces and whatnot, save a copy. And again, if you have Mailviewer, you can also push this straight to Mailviewer as well. Now that's the email spy feature with an additional hidden trick where you can get leads of all these people that are mailing you. So all these people that are sending you emails, you can grab these leads and you can send them prospecting emails. So you can tell them, hey, your emails don't look very good. How about I use ClickView to make them look awesome? Now you can do a very similar thing with ads as well. We give you a Chrome extension. Anytime you come across ads on, say, Facebook or Google, you can just go ahead, capture those ads, and you can also add some entries for it. So that way you know exactly what you're capturing. We're not bringing you some old junky information, but you collect all this information, which is then later easily accessible for you. Of course, in our case, when you get the library as well, we are going to give you a lot of done for you ads and pre-collected emails as well. Now, a recent feature that's been added is the ability to spy on funnels as well. So if I want to spy on a funnel, all I have to do is click on this button and I can put in a funnel URL. There you go. So as you can see, we have all these different pages inside this funnel, and I can look at them, I can do what I want with them. It gives me a preview, but I can also then just check them out and perhaps use them in my own business as well. If you want to see a full version, you can see the full version like this as well. So really powerful software that will help you grab emails, ads, and funnels from your competitors. Depending on the version you get, you also get access to a library, which, as I just showed you, has a ton of different sequences and ads at the moment. Over 10,000 different assets already included in the Done For You library. That's SpyViewer, really awesome software that you can't do without if you're serious about building an online business.
Hello, welcome back. I hope you like the demo. It's a fabulous software, isn't it? It helps you to get the pulse of the market, apart from the spying that is there. And it is fully ethical spying minded. Anyway, moving ahead, if you like the software and if you want to purchase the software, I have given a link in the video description below. You need to click on that link and it will bring you to this page. This is my bonuses page, which contains, of course, all the details of the software of SpyVio. There's a timer there because on the 30th of December, this launch would be over and you will never get SpyVio at this discounted rate any longer. There is my review over here. You need to click and check my review. All the details of the softwares are given over here. There's a full written review that I have given. You can go through it. And all over this site, there are these yellow buttons that are there. Actually, amber colored button. And there are more yellow buttons all throughout the site. Now you need to click one of these yellow buttons to purchase this software. So once you come to my bonus page, you need to click one of these yellow buttons so that it takes you to the sales page of SpyVio. The sales page will look somewhat like this. This is the sales page of SpyVio. You can go through the sales page. It has got a lot of information, a lot of testimonials from people who have used the software, from marketers, experienced marketers to totally novice, and they have given their experience. It gives a full description of the software, all the features of the software that are there. And there you'll find these yellow buttons or amber buttons which are there. You need to click one of these amber buttons. This will take you to the purchase page where you need to make the payment. Once you make the payment, you will be taken to the JVZoo portal where you will be able to access the software. I have given a diagrammatic representation of the whole process over here. You need to follow this, and this is the JVZoo page. I need to click on this blue button that is there to access all my bonuses. Of course, you need to buy through my link in order to access my bonuses. That is important. So what are the bonuses? These are the bonuses that I have for offer today. These bonuses I have specially handpicked and custom made for SpyVio. All the bonuses or most of the bonuses are targeted towards traffic, because the software, what I found is it has everything except it does not tell you how to bring the traffic, how to get the traffic. So I thought let me fill up the gap so that it complements with the software and you can get the optimum from this software. Once again, I tell you, you will not get these bonuses if you don't buy through my link. My first bonus is access to the blogging and traffic primer. This is a tutorial by Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mace, which will teach you how to get free traffic through blogging. My second bonus is again a custom bonus. This is a specific tutorial, a traffic generation tutorial, which will teach you how to get traffic, free organic traffic, and it is a tutorial by the famous marketers Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mace. So this will help you to get free traffic. The third bonus tutorial is the Jono's Bing Ads course. Now, what is Jono's Bing Ads course? This is another traffic tutorial which is not yet explored much. Bing Ads, everybody talk about Google Ads, Facebook Ads, but Bing Ads is talked less. But Bing, being a Microsoft product, has its own database of people, and you can really grab those people because they have not been explored much yet. So I thought that this Bing Ads course will help you to explore this yet not explored traffic medium. My fourth bonus tutorial is a specific tutorial which I have made on autoresponder, and I have also included 5 viral traffic sources of 2020. Now this is a combo pack 2-in-1 in which I have included both a tutorial on autoresponder, since MailBio deals with since SpyBio deals with mails, funnels and ads. So it was I included the mail tutorial, and I have also included 5 top viral traffic tutorials. My fifth bonus tutorial is a bonus from the vendor which I have handpicked for specific for this purpose. It generally, let me show you. It generally has 5 bonuses inside the vendor's bonus. These are all based on email survey funnel, email list building strategy which teaches you how to build email lists, 15 done for you Facebook ads, ad rotator, which is a software that rotates custom text ad on an unlimited number of web pages, and last one is the fly-in ads creator, which helps you to create ads. Again, let me tell you that if you want to avail these bonuses, custom made bonuses, you need to click one of these yellow buttons which will direct you to the sales page, from there to the payments page as I showed you before, and there after making the payment you can access my bonuses. Now moving ahead with the review, let's go ahead with the pricing and upgrade details. Now the front end of the software comes at a price of $37 to $47, which is one-time cost, of course. Now the front end comes in two flavors. One is the 10K flavor and 10K plus 100 businesses. Now what is that? Let me show you. You go to the sales page. You can check it in the sales page also. This difference is given. This is where you should come. Let me show you. Now SpyBio 10K gives you all these features that are there, but it will not give you the stealth sign up without using personal email address, the 2000 pre-collected profitable ads. It will not give you a commercial license, of course. There you'll find it. It will not give you these 4 bonuses which you have, but in the SpyBio 10K plus 100 businesses, which gives you an access to 100 businesses and templates, you will get all the other features, and it is pretty feature rich, and considering only less than $2 difference in the pricing. So obviously needless to say that the SpyBio 10K plus 100 business is a better option. The first OTO is the SpyBio Unlimited, which you can pay monthly $17 per month, or you can pay yearly $97 per year. Now, as the name suggests, you can collect unlimited emails, unlimited ads, unlimited funnels. There are 25,000 assets you can collect in your done for you library, early access to new features, and priority support. All the options listed in your monitor. But if you don't want to avail, you can go for the downsell, where it will give you SpyBio Unlimited, the trial version. The second OTO is the done for you top 10 funnel bio. Now what is the top 10 funnel bio? The funnels and landing pages from top 10 business duplicated. All pages are redesigned and rewritten, marking them unique and commercially usable. So it basically deals with the funnels part here, and the second is mainly dealing with the funnel, with it will gives you done for you funnels which you can click and import with one click. This also comes at a downsell where you get top 5 done for you funnels in the downsell instead of top 10. The third OTO is the SpyBio agency license, which comes in 2 flavors again, the 100 sub accounts and unlimited sub accounts. The 100 sub accounts cost $297 and the unlimited sub accounts cost $797. Now as the agency license, you can give multiple access to your users. So I believe this is pretty clear. And the fourth OTO, the overnight list success, is a 14-day list building challenge, and it is designed to help you to build a seed list to supercharge your product launch and increase your chances of having six-figure product launch. So it is only for those people who are planning to do a product launch. Now moving ahead, I want to tell you again that all these prices are limited time promotional offer, and once the clock hits 30th December 23:59 hours EST, the prices will go up drastically. So if you're interested, hurry up, make your decision fast. Now a word regarding the OTOs and upsells. According to me, the front end comes loaded with features, and it's a well balanced software. Of course, needless to say, as I said earlier, the 10k plus 100 bonuses at the price of $39 is a better option with the commercial license, where you can sell your services on platforms like Fiverr and other Upwork, Freelancer and other platforms. Now you have to check if that works for you, and if you are convinced, then I believe the combination of the front end and the OTO will go hand in hand together with my bonuses. I repeat, together with my bonuses, because my bonuses give you tons and tons of traffic, which will help you to cash on this software, which I don't think any other bonuses will offer. And more so because there is a 14-day money back guarantee, and you can always check the software, check the functions of the software, run campaigns and check whether it works for you or not, and then decide and take action. Moving ahead with the pros and cons of the software, according to me, there are a lot of pros in the software. It is a cloud-based, easy to use, newbie friendly, and it gives you an edge over your competition, the most important. And it is suitable for all niches. It is not niche specific. It is a new battle-tested concept for ethical spying to get more sales and return on investment. You know exactly what works and what does not work. So that gives you an understanding where to put your money on. And third, it is cheap and comes at a one-time cost compared to the other softwares, and you don't have to unnecessarily buy many other softwares or tools, because this software is all in one for emails, ads and funnels. Cons, though the prices are less, but according to me, the front end costs a little bit on the higher side. Apart from this, there is no cons, but who cares? If the software delivers, then it doesn't matter, does it? Moving ahead with the conclusion, according to me, SpyBio brings a new concept of ethical spying. Now you can get an edge over your competition very easily. You can see their even the 100 businesses that are running successful businesses. You can see their trend and you can just copy their trend, so that may bring success to you also. This will increase your sales and of course higher return on investment. According to me, it is a must-have for all marketers who are hungry for success. SpyBio also comes with a commercial and agency license, so you can use services in platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, as well as other local markets. And with the 14-day money-back guarantee, it practically becomes a totally risk-free investment. So good luck. So that brings us to the end of this review. I hope you like the review. I hope you like SpyBio. If you do like the software, I have given a link in the video description below. Please click on the link. When you click on the link, it will bring you to this page, and you need to click one of these yellow buttons that are there, amber color buttons, which will take you to the sales page, and then you make the payment as the process I have explained. If you like this review, please don't forget to like, share and comment in the comment section below. I really look out for your feedback. Your feedback means a lot to me. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell icon so that you may be always informed when I post a new video. So again, greeting you a very happy Christmas and the compliments of the season. Be safe, take care, and enjoy your holidays. Bye.